Thank you.
Pick a name.
Okay. Name is coming. Tyler Stain. Tyler Stain.
He's here.
He's here. Okay. Being called by a younger guy to be a kid, I mean the person before me, is very funny. Like, a lot of people look much older than me in their 20s. I'm already 32. Well, let me tell you what. People sometimes are mean to me. They imitate my accents. Whenever they do that, I just escape to the safe space in my head. Last week, I was partying with two girls in the apartment, and they invite me for a swim. But then I didn't bring my swimming pants, so I said, but I don't have my swimming pants. And she insists. And I also insist. I said, I really don't have my swimming pants. How can I swim? Can you lend me yours? That's the furthest I could go. 2 days later, I reflect on the experience and thought, wait a minute. They knew that I didn't have my swimming pants. But still, they invite me over for a swimming. So that means it was a signal, probably? It was day one of my NoFap campaign. That's why I think. You know, because the testosterone level is low. Like now is my day 7. If that day happened today, I would have knew the signal. That's why I was seeking testosterone booster. TestoJack 100. Speaking of anti-bullying, I teach in school sometimes, and there was kids who get bullied. You know, when a kid get bullied, I just said to him, you know what? You need TestoJack 100. If his testosterone level is high, he wouldn't be bullied. Because testosterone level has to do with how much you bully other and how much you get bullied. Why is mom talking to me in my head? Shut up, mom! This is my moment. One time my dad pinched my nipple. Perhaps that's why I was crazy sometimes. This morning, me and my buddy went to Kensington Market trying to meet some chicks. Just to chill out, right? But then, at one point I forgot him. I just walked ahead faster and faster. In my head, I was visualizing how to kill 3 persons at the same time, most effectively. And then he yelled at me from the back, hey buddy! I was like, huh? Oh, I was visualizing killing somebody, sorry, I forgot about you. And he asked me, what triggered you? What triggered me? I was walking on Spadina Street. That's enough trigger. That's maybe one day I will make a comical movie about a PTSD comedian who would kill somebody when he got triggered. We could be anything. I thought everyone has some fantasy about killing someone. It seems that I'm pretty aware. I can take up to 5 of you at the same time. But the catch is, you're not supposed to have weapons. You don't play professional sports. Be under 150 pounds. No collaboration. Because it's not fair. You shouldn't be see me coming, right? Don't see me coming. It's better for me to pick you up one by one. So I guess you qualify. Okay. So, at the end, let me do. I want to experience childbirth simulator. I've been practicing meditation for half a year now, so I should be good. You saw a monk, he burned himself to death, but he doesn't move a muscle, right? Because of the years of meditation. And I think Seinfeld is very similar to him. I think like making one-liner is like a form of meditation. Could you imagine Seinfeld being burned? He would be like, have you ever wondered how it's like to be burned? Okay, my name. And he wouldn't even flinch. And then after he finished his punchline, he died. Okay. Thank you. My name is Psychic.
Keep on